Welcome to Off Grid with Dave and Kelly. Saturday morning here, beautiful morning, nice and sunny, right about at the freezing mark. I've got a bunch of logs that are back in here that I haven't been able to get out. They're down, but today I'm gonna try and get them worked out and bring them all up, and we'll see how many we can get. Some of them are smaller, probably won't be used for the cabin, but well, yes and no. I should backtrack there. Some of them may become 2x6 for framing inside or something like that, but anyhow, we got lots of lumber to get out, so that's what we're doing today. So welcome to Off Grid with Dave and Kelly. I guess my video or battery died yesterday when I was videoing. This was a log I was pulling out, assuming when my video died. This thing was heavy. It was really heavy. It was all I could do to get it up and get it on the cart. But we managed to get it. This one's going to go directly to the sawmill here, which hopefully before too long we'll be firing it up. I want to change the way it is right now. I'm gonna mill some more logs for in here, and I'm gonna extend it out so that I have a platform about 4 feet out so that I can walk on, and it'll all be one, and it'll just make it easier, and I'll be up out of the mud and everything when I'm milling everything. So that's what that log is for. Yesterday we also got a little bit more firewood. We got some birch out for firewood, and Kelly will end up cutting that up throughout the week and splitting it up. I also have another small pile here that has to be sawed up and split, so that'll keep her going throughout the week. In the meantime, stay warm, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.